I am no one, Gabrielle. I have no sparkles.
She looks dangerous and fun.
Whatever, man. You kicked that song's ass.
He did kick that song's ass. Those body lines.
Wow.
Hi guys, this is Play It Again. I'm Ginger.
And I'm Mike. And we recently returned to Nightwish after some time without watching anything by them.
Yes, and it was such a good experience.
Right? What a reminder of why we enjoy them. So we sought suggestions for other songs in the comments, and somebody made a very good point. It's like you could hardly go wrong picking one at random.
It's true.
That's kind of what I did of the suggestions that were in the comments, though, instead of just in general.
Yeah.
I was intrigued by 7 Days to the Wolves from 2015.
Nice.
Live at Wembley Arena.
Okay.
So let's see what, well, we know they're going to bring
It's got,
amazingness.
3 million views?
Something like that. I'm sure it's very good.
Can't go wrong with that many views.
No.
Well, it's not quite cat video level views, but
it's pretty good.
huh, it's different.
Mm-hmm. Heavy and dark, that's the way I like it.
That's why you're with me. Very different pace than we're used to with them, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Something's coming. There it is. The pacing I'm used to. Where? Where are we going?
Apparently we're taking a helicopter.
I love helicopters.
Like the fire fish, she's the ghost in. Take the road that's trouble, fighting to stay on course. Somebody power
Oh.
7 days to the walls. Where will we be when they come? 7 days to the poison, and a place in heaven. Time growing near us, they come to take us. 7 days to the world, 7 days to the world. Where will we be when they come? 7 days to the poison, and a place in heaven. Time growing near us, they come to take us. Heroes, cowards, heroes, cowards,
Oh my goodness. She's terrifying. Right? I felt the same way.
I am no one, Gabrielle. I have no sparkles.
She looks dangerous. I guess the autoplay got turned on.
I think I pulled it up in another browser.
Uh-oh.
My bad.
Troublemaker.
I am browser agnostic. I use different ones. Anyhow, that was really good.
It was really good.
That was a solid recommendation for sure.
Do you understand what I meant about the pacing being different than I was expecting?
Mhm.
Till it
wasn't. And it was nice to have another one with Marco and Floor together a lot.
Yeah.
I always enjoyed that.
I think I have to confess that could be part of the reason why it took us so long to get back to Nightwish. Just that kind of hollow feeling I've been feeling for a while, ever since he announced his departure. It's not fair to the rest of the band, but I don't know. I think it might be part of the reason that it's been a little hard to go back.
Maybe.
Oh, sorry guys. I have blueberry seeds. I just had a snack.
You're allowed. You're allowed to have the good antioxidant blueberry snack.
But holy cow, that was some power up there.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Like, it's not a song that I've heard recommended that I can recall all that many times, but that song was a serious power song.
Yeah. No, I think it's come up from time to time, but usually we have so many different ones suggested. We just haven't picked that one yet.
Yeah.
You know? But no, that goes right near the top of my list right away. I really enjoyed that one a lot.
For sure. And I'm definitely down with the message. No more cowards. I'm actually quite tired of them.
Right?
Yeah. So With you there, girl.
It's nice to see the band again do another live performance. Empu makes me smile every time.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about that when you
He's
did
up
your
there.
little chuckle. I was
He's
like,
up there with that
"Oh, we
guitar and
missed
that smile. He makes me happy, man.
It
every
does.
time.
It makes me happy too. Oh, she's such a powerhouse too. Yeah. So maybe next one we'll do. I've been meaning to get back to doing something of what Marco's doing now. So maybe you guys can make a suggestion. What's Marco been up to? We did that one with that band.
Yes.
Oh my God.
I'm picturing the studio and the video.
It started with a W, and they emailed me. It was so kind of them, and I can't for the life of me think of the name right now. But anyway.
You put me on the spot coming up with that.
I'm the one on the spot because my crappy memory, guys.
Yeah, but it was recent, right? And it was, I think it was an older song of theirs that they redid together with Marco. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it was good.
Yeah, I'd like to see something of his that's recent too. Now that we've kind of dug back in a little, because I did miss them for sure. That was a great choice. So hopefully you all enjoyed that too. I know you're going to want to say play it again. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You can find us on Twitter. We are at PlayItAgainMG. And thanks for coming out, guys.